Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Pet feeders.
Number 5.
ARF Pet's Automatic Pet Feeder Food Dispenser. Automatic food dispenser makes feeding hassle-free for pets' dietary health and well-being. Dispense from 1-10 portions per meal. Each portion is 24 milliliters. Set up to 4 daily distribution alarms. Blue light up LCD clock and display provides easily adjustable settings. Magnetic lock lid. Record personal meal call up to 10 seconds. Runs on 3D batteries or DC power cable to outlet. Customizable feeder grade for dogs, cats and small animals of various sizes. Keep them happy all day long.
Number 4.
Wapit 7L Automatic Pet Feeder Food Dispenser. Feed your pet while you're away. Schedule up to 4 automated feedings per day using control portion size of each feeding. Dispense anywhere from 2 teaspoons. Record a custom message for your pet. Keep your pet excited about meal times. Operating tips suitable for dry food only, with the food pellet size ranging from 0.2 to 0.6 inches. Customer service. Customizable feeder grade for dogs, cats and small animals of various sizes.
Number 3.
Aziva's Automatic Cat Feeder 3L Pet Food Dispenser. Time and amount programmable. You can feed your pet 4 meals at scheduled times, and every meals. Infrared induction. This automatic pet feeder with infrared sensor, when the bowl fills a certain amount. Voice recorder. This feeder will allow you to record your voice 10 seconds where you can record. Power supply. You can either use the power adapter comes with the feeder or batteries. Keeping food fresh. The head part where you put the food have good leak proofness and keep fresh.
Number 2.
Amazon Basics Self-Dispensing. 2 inches -1 bundle, large pet waterer with 2.5 gallon capacity and large pet feeder with 12-pound capacity. Waterer base made of pages and bottle made of pet. Feeders lid and base made of pages. Side cut-out handles along base for easy lifting. Non-skid rubber feet for secure placement. Extra wide mouth food hopper and water bottle for easy filling and cleaning. Hand wash only. Backed by an Amazon Basics limited 1-year warranty.
Number 1.
PetMate Pet Cafe Feeder. Automatic refills. PetMate's Pet Cafe Cat and Dog Feeder features gravity feed technology. For busy pet parents. For pet parents with busy lifestyles, this automatic dog feeder ensures pets For busy pet parents, for pet parents with busy lifestyles. This automatic dog feeder ensures pets. Easy snap lid. To load food into the top of the PetMate pet feeder, simply remove the easy snap. Sturdy, spill-free food station. Easy grab cutouts allow pet parents to easily lift.